Earlier I discussed with you the combination reaction, decomposition reaction, and displacement reaction. Today I am going to discuss double displacement reaction. The chemical reaction in which two compounds react by an exchange of ion to form new compound are called double displacement reaction. We understand by one example. Suppose that when silver nitrate solution is added to sodium chloride solution, then white precipitate of silver chloride is formed along with sodium nitrate. Here you can see silver and sodium ion are exchanged. Silver goes with chlorine and sodium goes with nitrate ion. In this way, AgCl is formed and NaNO3 is formed. Just Ag come to here, replace Na, and A goes to in place of Ag. So this type of chemical reaction is called double displacement reaction. Another example, when barium chloride is added with sodium sulfate, then barium sulfate and sodium chloride is formed. Here also barium and sodium are exchanged and form new compounds. So this here barium goes with sulfate to form barium sulfate and goes with chlorine to form sodium chloride. This type of chemical reaction is called as double displacement reaction. Some questions are based upon types of chemical reaction. Identify the type of reaction in each case. Barium chloride plus K2SO4, barium sulfate plus 2KCl. Here you see only barium and potassium are exchanged to each other. So this is double displacement reaction. Second question, zinc carbonate on heating. On heating it gives ZnO and CO2. This converted one substance converted into two, that's why it is decomposition reaction. H2 plus Cl to 2HCl. Here two substances are combined together to form single product. This is combination reaction. Mg plus 2HCl, magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is formed. So this is displacement reaction because magnesium displaces only hydrogen to give magnesium chloride and liberate hydrogen gas. So this is displacement reaction. Another types of chemical reaction is oxidation and reduction reaction. This reaction is very important. So what do you mean by oxidation? Oxidation, the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen from a substance is called oxidation. Similarly, reduction is the opposite of oxidation. I explain it later. First you see reduction. The addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen from a substance is called reduction. As for example, CuO, copper oxide plus hydrogen, on heating it gives copper and H2O. So here you see कि CuO converted into copper. That means removal of oxygen takes place. Removal of oxygen takes place. If removal of oxygen takes place, this is called reduction. That means copper oxide is reduced product. And here H2 get converted into H2O. H2 receive oxygen and it get converted into H2O. So here H2 accept oxygen, so addition of oxygen, this is called oxidation. So on the basis of this reaction, question to be asked, name the oxidized substance. Oxidized substance is H2 because here oxygen is added. In H2 oxygen is added, get converted into H2O. So oxidized substance is H2. Reduced substance. Reduced substance is CuO because here oxygen is removed from CuO. It get converted into copper. This is reduced substance. Similarly, other topic is oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent means the substance which undergo reduction, that is called oxidizing agent. And during chemical reaction, the substance that participate in reduction, that is called oxidizing agent. Similarly, reducing agent, the substance which undergo oxidation, that is called reducing agent. Let we understand it by one example. Here H2S plus Cl2 get converted into sulfur and 2HCl. Here H2S get converted into sulfur. Here removal of hydrogen takes place. In oxidation definition, I earlier said that the removal of hydrogen or addition of oxygen is called oxidation. So here hydrogen is removed from H2S, so it get oxidized. And the substances that get oxidized, that is called reducing agent. H2S gets oxidized, that's why it is called reducing agent. Similarly, Cl2 receive hydrogen to get converted into HCl. It addition of hydrogen takes place, that's why it is reduced substance. Yeah, reduction of chlorine takes place. And this substance which undergo reduction is called oxidizing agent. So chlorine is called as oxidizing agent. So on the basis of this, you see oxidized substance is H2S. H2S is oxidized substance because here hydrogen is removed. Reduced substance, chlorine is reduced substance because addition of hydrogen takes place. Oxidizing agent means that substance that undergo reduction. Reduction, chlorine have reduction, so it is oxidizing agent. And H2S, that substance that undergo oxidation, that is called reducing agent. H2S is reducing agent. Okay, that's all the types of chemical reaction. Okay, thank you.